Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
UMLA juga melim ubak Ronnie V Lingdo. Ubala penyesok ialah dia minta bat keseng NPP. Ulang bakadau kejing penyesok jong bat ke NPP. Kedai namar bu UOI bakaroi kapar kawan hakan ke Sorkar MDA 2 ke minta. Ulang bu ulang MLA ben Syakri kipat ba kom tadan kam bendon haka Sorkar benlak berwanra ke roi kapar na benta kipat ba. Habakali na benta ke election araja popra. Laudan jingkar men NEM baniyo ke tiket namar ba ke NPP hamelim konstituensi keladan lupayu MLA berim ubah Hamid Sandoling ubah Ronnie uloong banak benta ke araja arpopra ke syong ka parti lakan ai hu ni ubah Hamlet.
Sorkar ka baskem we don't come mangi ong nakin strength stability namata overall development of the state but jongka constituency jongka jadi kata ka ba bori ki pa ba ki ong yang join no sa parti manginyo Sorkar ka baskem but ay ka ba jingdawa jonga kalong bet ka constituency kanyo development karoi ka pa ka puli puti kumba mombi kalunti kesengkian kita upon kicing dawa untuk minta untuk police station ni dan untuk veterinary hospital ni dan kita ke bangin sekren perhatian hendai ngelarung kandan kanu ka don jibne minta kanu ka rai ke bangin shim gide ban shim sha ya ka jing munjur jungki pada kita kata ba kita minta na kiri karne ki nong yalam janga kiban perkini ditang sau sanut na kawai ka shino hendai dapi ong ban wan lam not berkat deki hajar deki hajar kinon hadian ba wilayah keren baki makiru na karpat na ba ta bit kabyang constituency rungno sakri kapse ditang kata ti dangapej na I kamba ka roy kapar kawan hakne ka itu suai nuksa kumangi satay layo so keren assembly ya ka 4 lane ya ka western bypass anta ka aneka PHC po umplong mo itnay anta ta kiroi ki par wan tingi don hungi ban sakri pa ba anta ba kajingdon kam jong pa ba katbala mangila ban pagya ni mangi ngamla ban ong ba nangan le kunta manum le kunta mangi ngi syong pa ba ngi syong ka parti kelada ka parti ka so ibit anaya yang ada ka so ibit pat panai hamne yeno yang dari kalong ba mentang idon ko ba arsenal siteng panpet ba in penbiang kajing dawa ka political party ka don kapor ba kakiyo ko don kapor ba ya lesi menta ga kapor ba congress party ka dam ya dari kum ka political party kamot ni habbo shwa ya ki pai ba kama ne kamot hoi lada ka party kam don ban ai kajing sakri pai ba kam na jumot so halor itai norem sim ke rai bengkat ini kena persian dengan tuan ini. Baru kita kecengkemen, tapi makihi kalau orang yang bak ngiling lamun penong yang tirung ham mencuah, maki orang himnot. Lagi lada tadi bakim persian ya, kim ya hap bakini kecing ya snow jangan berkena National People's Party ni NPP kinuman. Baik, lara mana kalau mayong nakani.
It's an attempt to stem the popularity of the BBP in your constituency.
I think you're jumping the gun. See, I think you're jumping the gun because, like I said, it's the people's wishes, and none of them are going to contest elections. But realizing that we need development for the state, for the constituency, for the state, there is no such attempt because in a democracy, each party they can participate in elections. So the question of because of one party we're taking this decision, I think that's
Have you consulted or informed your party leadership Congress before taking this decision?
More or less, I've hinted at them.
Did they ask you to not to take such decision?
They did. But then, I'm here to serve the people. So that's the decision I've taken. To serve the people and the state.
Ulam phang ke yeng dor bar thau an uthama sangma ula pintem ba minnen kesngi uba Ronnie ula resign ku chief whip janggal yang persha bat mentapan ula wan a jing tho bu unya so no bat ke NPP bat ke office ulam phang ke syam ba ke jingle jong u kelong kat kum gi kendon kum tala pedyang bat ithu yu kumu MLA jang ke NPP.
I have received the letter of resignation from the opposition chief whip from Ronnie Lingdo yesterday, and today I have also received his desire to merge with the National People's Party, and he submitted the letter to me. I have gone through it with the help of my staff and the legal advisors, the law officers which is attached to me, and with their assistance I have found the letter submitted by Ronnie Lingdo as valid and satisfies all the criteria laid under the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So I have accepted his application, and I have also given my acceptance and my recognition that he is considered as a member of the National People's Party with immediate effect. He had also, in that letter, he has also submitted that he no longer desires to continue with the PIL, that he has FIR or PIL, whatever is that, complaint petition seeking his PIL with the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, and he said he no longer desires to pursue that. Family members, his supporters, this room was filled with all of them, and also from our party leaders, including Deputy Chief Minister Ma Sngaw Balang Dar, Ba Hamlet Sondoling, and our State Treasurer, Mr. Daniel, thank you, and other senior leaders from NPP also, and his supporters.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra